set.
Michael, press anything? I think it's stopped recording.
But you need to move, Rolla. I can't see.
I love how they all had a thing and then actually at the end was just like high pressure.
Finding all the instruments and everything and like what made like the correct sound to match.
I felt like a little kid again. Like we were able to dig through all the boxes and I was really excited.
Okay, Rolla.
Go ahead. We had a part. Everybody had a part to do an instrument and a sound.
So you like that part?
Yeah.
I liked how everyone's imagination came through.
It felt like a little performance.
Yes, it was very good performance, right? And then you did a great job, right? Yes.
It also shows like what we resonate sounds with, how it's different for everybody.
Okay.